Hi everyone, my name's Kathy. Welcome to Skint Living UK. Today I've been painting the bathroom and I've got a couple of tips for you as well. So I've painted the walls in a colour called Egyptian cotton. I've left this shelf up and I left the brackets white as a nice contrast. So I think it looks good against the new tiles. I've also done the ceiling. So younger people call it colour drenching. I think it looks really nice. So it's a way of saving money because you're not buying extra paint in a different colour, maybe white for the ceiling. So it sort of gives it a cave feel and it's lovely. One of the tips I've got for you today is if you've got a bit of paint left over and you think you might need to do some touch-ups, squash your brush into the tin and then put the lid back on it. And then the next day you might see some bits that you've missed. And then your brush is all ready to go because it's already in there. So it's a way of saving the hassle of cleaning your paintbrush and the next day it's still wet and then the water's dripping everywhere because the brush is in the pot. Another tip I've got is if your ceiling, you've got an old light fitting and maybe it's a bit tarnished, a bit rusty, I would paint round the edges. Take the glass off first, give the glass a good clean. Here's the glass here. And then just paint around the edges to match your ceiling and then it all blends in and it saves you getting an electrician in and it saves you buying a new light as well because if it's working it's perfectly fine. All you're doing is painting the edges, let it dry, leave it till the next day and put your glass back up. And if it's got little tiny screws, put a little dot of paint on the top of the screws so it all sorts of matches. So there you go, painting's all done. I've done 2 coats. I've just put my plants back in situ. I'm going to be putting my blind up tomorrow and scrubbing the grout with some bleach and an old toothbrush. So there's just little jobs to do tomorrow. So I'm just really glad. Hello! As you can see, I've got my tatty red t-shirt on, my painty shirt. I've left my bathroom cabinet white because I think the contrast between it looks really good. This is my first mosaic I made about 15 years ago. It's based on the dolphins in Greece, in the Queen's Megaron, which means like hall, but they thought it was her bathroom because it was dolphins on the wall. So I did a little copy of it because I thought it was nice and easy to do. So I've left that up. So it's looking good, looking nice, clean and fresh. And we've got the lovely new tiles to go with it as well. So let me know what you think in the comments below. What do you think of my frugal tips? And if you've got any frugal painty tips as well, I'd be happy to know. And let me know in the comments. Please like, share and subscribe. And thanks so much for watching. Hope to see you soon. Bye for now.